A battery with an internal resistance of 0.1 ohms is connected to um, three resistors. A voltmeter and an ammeter is shown in the diagram below. Ignore the resistance of the ammeter and the connecting wires. When the switch S is open, the voltmeter reading is 20 volt. Mabe kuvuliwe lapha i-voltmeter i-read out 20 volt. Kusho ukuthi yini leyo? EMF 20 volt. Now, ngesana ku-definition, explain why the voltmeter must always be connected in parallel. Why? Why voltmeter must be always connected in parallel? Because a voltmeter has the infinite resistance, has the highest resistance. So uma ngabe singayi-connector la i-voltmeter, i-current ngeke ikwazi ukwenza njani ukudlula. So yileyo nto ubungayisho, ubungasho ukuthi the potential difference. Okay, okokuqala nje ungafika usitshene ukuthi here we are measuring the potential difference, or the potential difference is measured. Number two, bese uyasho ukuthi potential difference has a voltmeter has the highest resistance, and bese uyasho ukuthi low current flows. So kuzodlula i-current encane, has the highest resistance. Ngaleyo ndlela low current will flow through an excuse a voltmeter when it is connected in series. So that's why we connect it in parallel. Siyazi ukuthi current izoyidlulela nje ngokukhulu ukukhululeka laphaya. Okay, sebeyabuza la ngezansi. Bathi-ke, when switch S is closed, sebeyamvala lapha switch S, sekuvaliwe. The reading on the ammeter is 1,6 amperes. 1,65 amperes. Now, effective resistance for the resistors in parallel. Now, my resistor in parallel. Effective resistance. Ngamanye amagama i-total resistance yawo. Wabhala le formula wayishiya kanjalo unamakhe. Substitute kule formula. Unemakhe. Bese uzothola leli lokugcina. So 1/5 plus 1/10. Answer fanele siyithole, fanele ibe encane kunobani, kuno-5. Shouthi ubani? U-3,33 recurring ohms. Now, the resistance of resistor R, fanele sithole u-R laphaya ukuthi uba. Ukuze sikuthole, fanele sisebenzise fanele siqale sithole i-total yawonke lama-resistors. Nkulunkulu wami. Check-ke. So EMF is equal to total current, total resistance, external resistance plus internal resistance. Here we have 20 volt, total current 1,65, R external total resistance plus internal resistance 0,1. Can divide by 1,65, 1,65 low cancel lawyer, R plus 0,1. 20 divided by 1,65 isinikeza bani lokho? Isinikeza u-12,12. Then 12,12 minus 0,1, R external or R total uzolingana nobani? No-12,02 ohms. So mase sifuna R1, so R total is equal to R1 plus R parallel. R total u-12,02, u-R parallel u-3,33 recurring. So therefore R1 ngithola u-8,69 ohms. So that is R1. So bathi-ke calculate the current flowing through 5 ohms. So kulula. So fanele mina ngithole kuqala i-voltmeter reading, total voltage for the parallel section. So ngizothi VIR. I-current edlula kuwo wonke omabili ama-resistor ubani? 1,65. R parallel ubani? 3,33. So senginayo 1,65 times 3,33 recurring. Zonginikeza ubani? U-5,49 volts. Shuthi la ngino-5,49 volts. Laphayana ngino-5,49 volts. Nalana futhi nginobani? Ngino-5,49 volts. So, since ngino-5,49 volts ne-resistance ewu-5, nginale resistance, nginale voltage, ngakhona ukuthola i-current edlula laphaya. Ngakhona futhi VIR. VIR. VIR, current, funa yona, voltage, 5,49, resistance u-5 divided by 5 divided by 5, u-I zoba 1,098 amperes. Okay, so sebethini-ke? Sebethi calculate the energy dissipated or the energy used by the battery if the current flows for 0,5 minutes. So sebenzisa nansi formula. Energy is equal to I squared R delta T. I-current edlula lapha phakathi, that is the total current, okuba 1,65 all squared. I-resistance yangaphakathi kwe-battery, ngoba bakhulume nge-battery lapha, bathi calculate the energy given by the battery, 0,1. Isikhathi singakanani? 0,5 minutes. From minute to seconds, we multiply by 60. Shuthi 0,5 times 60 kuzoba u-30. Uma usushaya lapha uzothola i-energy in joules. 1,65 all squared. 1,65 all squared times 0,1 times 30. Kuzophuma bani? 8,17 joules. So lapha sebeyabuza i-question abayibuzayo. Ukuthi if the 10 ohm resistor is removed, how will the reading on the ammeter be influenced? Choose from increase, decrease, or remain the same. Kuzoba lula noma isikhathi singasavumi nje. Uma u-remove loya, i-total resistance izo-increase. U-R external uhamba no-V external, bese kuthi I total uhamba no-V internal. So uma u-remove lo in parallel, R total zo-increase, nalo mngani wakho uzo-increase, laba bobabili bazo-decrease. Ungabhala kanjalo. Total resistance, ungabhali kanje phela, ubhale ngamagama. Total resistance will increase, external voltage will increase, total current will decrease, total internal voltage will decrease. Okay, labo babili baya-decrease labo, labo babili baya-increase ngaso sonke isikhathi. Laba ngabangani nalaba ngabangani. Lo munye uma decrease nomunye uya-decrease, lo munye uma increase nomunye uya-increase. Siyiphendula kanjalo leya question esekugcineni.